To create a Facebook business page and fully optimize its settings in 2024, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Facebook account and click on the Create button on the left-hand side of the screen. Select Page from the options provided. 2. Choose the appropriate category for your business, such as local business or place, or company, organization, or institution. Fill in your business name and add a profile picture and cover photo that accurately represent your brand. 3. Complete your About section by adding your business address, phone number, website URL, and a brief description of what your business does. This information will help potential customers find and connect with you. 4. Customize your page's settings by going to the Settings tab at the top of your page. Here, you can adjust options such as page visibility, messaging preferences, and notifications. 5. Utilize Facebook's built-in features to engage with your audience, such as creating posts, hosting live videos, and responding to comments and messages promptly. Consistency is key to building a strong online presence. 6. Use Facebook Insights to track your page's performance and analyze which types of content are resonating with your audience. Use this information to refine your strategy and create more effective content in the future. 7. Consider investing in Facebook ads to reach a wider audience and promote your products or services. This can be a cost-effective way to drive traffic to your website and generate leads. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful Facebook business page that accurately represents your brand and connects with your target audience.